A short glance through ship stability. Basic terms in ship stability. Density. Density is defined as the mass acting per unit volume. For example, the mass density of fresh water, FW, is 1000 kilograms per cubic meter or 1.000 tons per cubic meter. Sea water, SW, is 1025 kilograms per cubic meter or 1.025 tons per cubic meter. Mass. Mass is a property of a physical object that quantifies the amount of matter it contains. Unlike weight, the mass of something stays the same regardless of location. Units equals tons, T. Volume. Volume is defined as the space occupied by the three-dimensional. It is always measured in meter cubic units m3. Displacement. Displacement is commonly used to denote the mass of a ship in tons. Technically, it is the mass of water displaced by a ship and, when floating freely, the mass of water displaced equals to the mass of the ship. Light displacement. Light displacement is the mass of the empty ship, without any cargo, fuel, lubricating oil, ballast water, fresh and feed water in tanks, consumable stores, and passengers and crew and their effects. Load displacement. Load is the total mass of the ship when she is floating in salt water with her summer load line displacement at the water surface. Present displacement. Present displacement is the mass of the ship at present. It is the sum of the light displacement of the ship and everything on board at present. Deadweight. DWT. Deadweight of a ship is the total mass of cargo, fuel, fresh water, etc., that a ship can carry, when she is floating in salt water with her summer load line at the water surface. Deadweight of ship equals load displacement, light displacement. Deadweight aboard. Deadweight aboard is the total mass of cargo, fuel, ballast, fresh water, etc., on board at present. Deadweight aboard equals present displacement, light displacement. Deadweight available. Deadweight available is the total mass of cargo, fuel, fresh water, etc. that can be put on the ship at present to bring her summer load line to the water surface in salt water. Deadweight available equals load displacement, present displacement. Reserve buoyancy, airbay. Reserve buoyancy, airbay, is the volume of the enclosed spaces above the waterline. It may be expressed as a volume in meter cube or as a percentage of the total volume of the ship. Airbay equals total volume, underwater volume. Airbay percent equals volume above water level by total volume, x 100. Reserve buoyancy is so called because, though it is not displacing any water at that time, it is available for displacement if weights are added or if bilging takes place. Bilging is the accidental entry of water into a compartment, due to underwater damage. Tons per centimeter, TPC. Tons per centimeter, TPC, is the number of tons required to cause the ship to sink or rise by 1 centimeter. SI units, TPC is indicated as T/cm. Block coefficient, CB. Block coefficient, CB, or coefficient of fineness of displacement at any draft is the ratio of the underwater volume of the ship at the draft to a rectangular box having the same extreme dimensions. Midship section area coefficient, cm. It is the ratio of the actual area of the immersed portion of the ship's midship section to the product of the breadth and the draft of the ship. Cm equals am, bxd where d equals draft, mb equals beam, usually taken at the waterline, m. M equals area of the immersed portion of the midships section, m square. Thanks for watching.